హాయ్ వివర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. Hi viewers, in this class we will learn about the trigonometry function topic. In APA General topic where is 7 marks. In this we will learn about this problem. That is if sin x equal to 3/5 where x lies in Q2. In Q2 only sin and cosecant are positive. Remaining are negative. Then find the other 5 trigonometry function. Solution. Given sin x equal to 3/5. Sin, we are in order sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Then cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. Cos x equal to root over 1 minus sin square x. Then root over 1 minus 9/25 equal to square root of 25 minus 9, 16/25 equal to 4/5. This is cos x. Cos x equal to 4/5. Tan x. Tan x equal to sin x by cos equal to 3/5 by 4/5. 5 get cancelled. We get 3/4. Tan x equal to 3/4. Cot x. Cot x equal to 1 by tan x equal to 4/3. Secant x 1 by cos x equal to 5/4. Here in Q2 cos x is negative value and tan x is also negative value. Cot x is negative, secant x is negative and remaining cosecant x. In Q2 only sin and cosecant are positive. Then 5/3. Therefore sin x equal to 4/5. Cos x equal to minus sin x equal to 3/5. Cos x equal to minus 4/5. Tan x equal to minus 3/4. Cot x equal to minus 4/3. Secant x equal to minus 5/4. Cosecant x equal to 5/3. Please note down.